Why do I need to change my air filter? Well, first off, with a dirty air filter, you are blocking airflow through your system, your indoor unit. This can cause several problems for you. One is it's going to cause hot spots in your house. Most likely the first ones is going to be your farthest spaces from the unit. But also, it's going to cause the system to run longer. It's not getting the airflow throughout the house, either for cooling or heating, because the filter is clogged up and it's causing the system to run longer to get that airflow across. Secondly, is allergies. These filters, they catch all kinds of airborne particles. You can see in this next slide, you can see that there's a clean filter compared to a dirty filter. And that dirty filter, if you have allergies like me, you can see all the stuff in there that just makes you really, afraid of breathing that air, because that airflow is coming across that filter, and you're breathing all of that. So it's important to change your filter on a regular basis. A lot of manufacturers recommend, you'll see them on these pleated filters 3 months. But for residential use, I tell a lot of my customers, change them every time you pay your electric bill. It's just an easy way to remember it. Once a month, and install either a 1-inch or a 2-inch pleated filter. There's several other things that people don't take in consideration other than just the allergies or the airflow, but you can actually render your performance of your equipment and can cause premature damage to your system as well. First, on performance, lack of airflow, like I stated, causes the system to run longer. What does that do? That causes that system to stay online and draw more electricity. It costs you more in the long run. Number two, it's not getting the proper efficiency capacity, meaning it's not running the same airflow throughout the house, so it's not the same size. It's undersized at that point. And then lastly is damage. The system, say in cooling mode during the summertime, when your filter is clogged, it's causing your indoor unit to run colder than it should. And doing this, you can cause the coil to run to where it's not absorbing enough heat out of the air, and it's going to cause damage to your compressor outside in your condenser. This can shorten the life of your compressor and also cause it to not perform as well. Secondly, in heating mode, whether it be a heat pump or a gas furnace, for a gas furnace, it can cause that heat exchanger to overheat, can cause it to cut off on internal overload, can cause damage to the furnace. And also on a heat pump, it can cause that evaporator coil to run too hot and go off on pressure, which can in conjunction damage the compressor outside. All in all, it's much better to change the filter once a month. It just ensures you have proper airflow, and it's better for your allergies and such, to make sure you're capturing all of those. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call, 254-315-4362. Thank you.